Thank you to our customer in Moldova for purchasing EA500H9 rental LED display panels. EA500H9 rental LED display panel is a brand new rental type hardwired LED display from EagerLED, with meticulous attention to detail in every aspect. The cabinet handles, fixing slots, quick locks, corner protection design, and detachable power supply box all demonstrate exceptional quality. EA500H9 rental LED panel features a 250mm*250mm magnetic LED module design, greatly simplifying the installation process and supporting both front and rear maintenance, significantly improving maintenance efficiency. EA500H9 rental LED display is widely used in various scenarios such as events and exhibitions. With its flexible and convenient installation design, it can meet a variety of display needs.